Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A pink punch is on our drink menu today, Thirsty Thursdays. And here are the ingredients: pink Whitney Vodka, gin, white rum, cranberry juice, orange juice, ginger ale, grenadine. Make sure you get yourself some ice. Thirsty Thursdays, y'all. Y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. Alright, to a mixing cup, you want to add some ice. As you can see, I have that pink Whitney chilled very well. Alright, it's going to be 2 parts pink Whitney vodka. 2 parts. Alright, 1 part white rum, 1 part gin. Gin makes you sin. 1 part gin. Can't have a party without gin. No, we cannot. 2 parts cranberry juice. So you're going to see me add the other part later toward the end of the video. Alright, 1 part orange juice. This is getting better and better, baby. Alright, 1 part ginger ale. So I have a flavored ginger ale there. You don't have to. You can use a regular one. It's still going to work. Still going to be good. Alright. Alright, and grenadine. So you're going to eyeball your grenadine. I put a tablespoon, but I'm only making this portion of it. So naturally, if you're making more, then you'll add more grenadine. So you'll watch the taste and the color with the grenadine. So you put in a little at a time, keep tasting until you get it where you want it. Shake this very well, or stir it. All right, here you'll see where I'm adding the other part of the cranberry juice. That is it. Shake or stir it well, and this is what we end up with: a beautiful pink drink. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.